graduation in the stream of civil engineering from Sri Krishna University, College of Engineering and Technology, Anandapur. And I joined the Qspiders in the month of May as an incubation student. As an incubation student, it will be a very good opportunity for me to grab the opportunity, and I'll explore all the things which will be came across along with me, and the courses which will be learned from here is the Java and SQL, which will be taught by Anupama ma'am and Uma Shankar sir. The knowledge which will be given from the faculty is very well, and that knowledge will be helpful to cracking the interview and all. And my special thanks to Uma Shankar sir and Rahul sir, Chidambaram sir, who taught me well. And HR, coming to HR department, the Anita ma'am and Shamala ma'am and Akshay sir was well to add the particular requirement, and I strongly suggest everyone to choose the Qspiders Hebbal branch if you wanna job in IT sector. And this helps me attend the grooming classes as well regularly, and it will be very helpful to you grab the opportunities as well, in which will be good in your interview process also. And regular classes will make you effect throughout your technical skills. And thank you the whole team of the Qspiders Hebbal branch.